Omushomogu gumazeresa bitemwe ahakanisa Nyakabare omuri rugando rwa Mpara kandi gwetabiromwe abakazi emyeto hamwe n'abasheija barukurenga 200.
Ntwara mu kisago kusima Honorable Kankunda abwo muranga ogwaterire kandi akatogesa ebyasikinge by'emukono ni musima mnonga ntebwarcha
Nyoni ntwara mu kisago kusima Honorable Kankunda atwegise ibintu kora byinshi nyagiremwe ibintu nkabishatu kunga kinyagire mnonga ni sabuni na enkito
webare mnonga kushoma webare mnonga abure kushomesa abantu aba webare
okutende kw'emyogeji kutebekanisibwa mu ishengero wa Rwampara County Amos Kankunda
konka shati no mwenda shikamaisa no mwenda tandukwa nche konka tandukwa kukirayo amani mingi munonga niki no mutwena no kumanyi kimwe nekora ati kumara embaze kore bitabebi mwene mureba ngo mu China oruko bireta kaza kuvuguza hariya nabakizaki
agwambe ni mbireba nanje aho za WhatsApp uko witu bakargayo nahandi ungambe ndakicho naye kabireba mwene nisiba munonga Honorable agwa okunda Rwampara kandi agakunda eminyeto na nimwe abandi abahamya
oye Nyakabare oye
Omugandi abazire nabashabo kugirira abana babakire no kumanya bibarukora baba bari omuka okushabo kwirweyo omwezi wa RCC ahabwamba City North Division omushomo gutebekanisiwe ababombi Academic Guidance and Advice Conference ogumazire biro 2 aharnoba Green View omurwentondo
ntogese myeto mito teenagers kurgamya kuje tukigara iguru okwetantara emiringo mibi erimwe baremesa okufuna obuhanguzi bwabo mu kushoma bikurabira za Kanyabwenge ninga social media
paburangu dusheme kureba kangu twahereza abana babishiki n'abana baboja bato twabegesa okwindra emitima yabo nebitekateko tubegesa okumarwa.
There is social rejection or they feel like they don't fit in society and they decide to keep it in, they hold it in because they are not sure of who to tell this to.
Viana Kemjisha orukora n'ekitongore cha United States Agency for International Development ayerekero kwatwaho ahabwa abazira abarukomera abana babo bipira hamwe n'ebijuma byo kucinjirenda babanu bazahishomero.
Be discouraged because as you know that when you pack condoms for children it encourages them in those it encourages them to go and because if you are a parent and you pack condoms for a child it means you're telling her go and have sex.
If you can't abstain, use a condom. Bareta na condoms bazitekum public places. Nangushanga no public places. I don't know on mashomer kuzenzirum.
Gasha kwa Aiden Bataringaya.